Python shorthand conditional. Here's a quick one. In Python one can do. And that's cool, but how can I just get a true or false without having to write? For example, in JS you can forcibly cast a Boolean type by doing
call bool on the object.
Similar to JavaScript, you can use logical negation in Python. This uses the keyword not. One disadvantage of bool is you can change its value, as this is not a reserved word. If bool variable's value is not callable, for example, bool equals 7, an error will be raised. If bool variable's value is callable, for example, bool equals int, you may get an unexpected value. JavaScript, Python.
If you want to see more, please press necessary.